good morning Sec 2. Today we will learn about chapter 7 and the material is about number pattern. The goal when you learn about this chapter, you will be able to recognize simple pattern from various number sequence and then determine the next few terms and find the formula for the general terms of a number sequence and then solve problem involving number sequence and number pattern. Okay. Aduh, kok lanjut sendiri? Okay, we'll continue about number pattern, and then you already learned about number pattern in primary 6. So now we will learn about number pattern, and then especially we learn about number sequences. What is number sequences? Number sequences, it means like a row of a number. For example, like this, I have 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. But from the first term until the last term, is it different number? Yeah, this is 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. Okay, I will tell you about 2. Is it the first term atau bentuk pertama? So 5, is it second term atau bentuk kedua? 8, is it third term? 11, is it fourth term? And then 14, is it fifth term? But the number in a row, it's different. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. So we talk, this is about number sequences. Okay. But for number sequences, even the number it's different from the first term until the last terms, but they have a pattern. For example, here is it have rules 2, 2, 5. So the pattern is add by positive 3. 5, 8 also 8, add by positive 3 also. From 2 to 5, 5, 8, and then 8 to 11 also add by positive 3, and then 11 to 14, it's add by positive 3 also. Okay, is it have same pattern? Wherever a number is different from the first term until the last term, I mean the fifth term, but the pattern of all this number is same, add by positive 3. So if you have the question about how to find the next term, for example 2 terms, so what should you do? Okay, same, because this is have a same pattern, so just add by positive 3 also. So you get it. For the next is 17. And then also this one, add by positive 3, so you get it 20. Okay, let's try from some example here. The first one, I have a number 2, row a number here, number sequences 2. The first term is it 2, and the fifth term is 10. What about the pattern of this? Okay, take a look. 2, 4 plus or add by positive 2. 4, 6 also add by positive 2. 6, 8 also add by positive 2. 8, 10 also right positive 2. So if you have to find the next term, 2 next term of about this number sequences, so you have just add same like the pattern is add by positive 2, so you get it 12. This one also add by positive 2, so we get it 14. Okay, so the rules is start with 2 and add by positive 2 to get it the next term. Also this one, 1, 2, 4, 8, 6. Okay, 1, 2 times with 2. This is the power of times, multiplication, yeah. 2 times 2, we get it 4. 4 times 2, we get it 8. And then 8 times 2, 16. So how about the next term? Just times with 2 also. 16 times 2, so we get it 32, like this. And for the next term, just time it also with 2, so you get it the next term here. Okay, another example. There is a number sequences start from 42, 39, 36, 33, and 30. And you have to find the next two terms after 30. Okay, you have to take a look here. We have to find the pattern. Okay, 42 to 39. Subtract 3. Also with this, subtract 3. This one also subtract 3. This one also subtract by 3. So, how about the next two terms? Okay, so this one also subtract with 3, subtract with 3, so we get it 27. And this one also subtract by 3, we get it 24. So, two terms next is it 27 and 24. Okay, so what about the rules? State the rules. So if you have to state the rules, is it about subtract? This is the rule, yeah. Subtract 3 from each term to get next term. Jadi kita harus kurangkan 3 dari setiap bentuk-bentuk ini untuk mendapatkan bentuk berikutnya. And then the next two term are 27 and 24. Okay. For another example, you can find it in your book, chapter 7 about number sequences, page 174, and then 175. Just doing for your practice, and then see you in Mentimeter.